Hi everyone, just coming to share a couple of blank journals really, I suppose they are. My daughter informed us she was getting married a couple of weeks ago and wanted a journal. So dug out the Cinch, wiped all the dust off it and came up with a journal for her. Those of you that have seen it on Facebook, it was definitely not my style, but it got me thinking. So I thought, do you know what? I haven't used the Cinch in ages. So there I am, practicing away, trashing so many wires till I got it right. Anyway, I thought I'd share these. So we have an A4 size one. So that is 11 3/4 by 8 1/4. And an A5 size one. So half the size. So there we go. You can see it's half the size. So if I start with the little one, cobweb. I've made them out of the same board that I make my normal journals out of. So you can see it there. It's 2mm, extremely thick board. Now these are plain. I haven't decorated these at all. So you've got, apart from the covers, obviously, because you know what? That's actually what I enjoy doing. So the covers I've actually painted in Maya Gold around the edges and actually on the edges. And then there's a bit of Tim Holtz paper on there. And I've done some clear texture paste, which I've tinted. So you can see that's it. You can see the shine on there. And I've treated myself to some new wax seals. So this one's got a little tree. It's alright, I'm doing this first thing in the morning, so it's a bit, there we go, a little tree. Not quite daylight outside. And if I show you the back cover, I've just covered it in hessian. I wanted something a bit, I like tactile stuff I can feel. And the ring binders are like an aged brass colour. And then the insides are, I've got it all in, yeah. So there is some 49 and market paper there on that one, and the same on the back. Now I have clipped a couple of envelopes in. That's a big, take this off. That's a clear, I suppose it's like a coin wallet. I don't know. Not sure. Big, very thick card. And a craft envelope. Now I've printed them off. The papers on both books are 160 GSM in English money, which is about double the weight of normal copy paper or thin card. So there is actually quite a lot of body to it. There are 40 sheets, 40 actual sheets, so 80 sides in this one. And what I've done is I've just printed off some like aged paper on it, so it's got colour already. And there are 3 variations, and that being number 3. So yeah, there are 80 sheets in this one. I don't know, I was thinking notebook. Those of us of a certain age will remember autograph books, and that's certainly what this reminded me of. Although I've got notebooks everywhere, and so whether it was bought, I am going to list these, so whether it was used as a journal or whether it was used as a notebook or an autograph book, I don't know. I just really enjoyed making it. Like I say, enjoy the covers. So that's what I decided to do. And now the big boy, right, twice the size. So this has got a lot more going on the cover. So we've got some bark, twigs, fussy cut butterfly, there's a bit of coloured gauze and some trim, and this one's got a wax seal. If I lift it up, oh, it's alright, I'm losing the light. Oh, I can't, oh, there we go. It's a little bumblebee on that one. Same again, so I've used Maya Gold on all the edges, and this is 49 and market paper, as was the butterfly. That was also in the set on the front, and the back is the same. And inside, the same papers again. So, getting in the mess. So that's the inside of the front cover. And that's the inside of the back cover. So, if I flip all these over. Now, same again, I've clipped in a couple of envelopes. I was actually going to glue these in. I lift them out. That's the same sort of coin envelope thing with the window. And a couple of the craft ones. I was actually going to glue that in, and I thought, oh, don't know. So they've ended up being clipped in. Now this is printed on a plain cream paper. And what I've done is I've actually printed out something in the corner. So there are 10 different designs on this one. I'll bring it down a bit. Maybe it's some owl, mushrooms, another owl, bit of ivy, some butterflies, dragonflies. Right, I'm just quickly going through, and that's a fern, cane parsley, I think that is, some ivy, and then we're back to the beginning. So those are the 10 different designs, 30 pages, so repeated 3 times. Same thickness card, so lightweight card or extra thick paper, really thick paper. So those are the 2 sort of, I don't know, I was looking at this and I was trying to work this one out, and I thought, well, it can either be decorated because there's plenty of expansion on the ring binders, ring binders, I think. The comb binders, sorry, terminology. I thought, what an excellent scrapbook. And because it's all acid free, it will save you pictures and nothing's going to go awry. So there we go, there are 2 different notebooks, decorated on the outside, ready for you to decorate on the inside. Oh, where we go, there we are. I will list them. I'll put a link below. Thank you very much for watching. I thoroughly enjoyed making these. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you all later. Take care, bye.